Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Patangre and I am working as a PhD scholar in the metallurgy department. Today I am going to show you the facility available in the Department of Metallurgy and Metal Science. So let's start. So we'll go to our HOD cabin. Dr. S.P. Bukhi is currently head of Department of Metallurgy and Metal Science. So you can see our HOD cabin. Okay.
Thank you.
We have faculty cabins over here. You can see that our faculty cabins. We have separate faculty cabin for each faculty. So, this cabin is for Dr. N.V. Doke. And,
Hello friends, now we are in front of the special lab, that is corrosion science lab. It is under the control of our Professor P.P. Deshpande sir, and it is sponsored by EPOM.
Welcome to Ceramic Lab. This is jar heat. It is used for heating purpose. Spray dryer, hydraulic press. It is used for compaction. Weighing balance. This is planetary ball bead. Hot air oven. Muffle furnace. And high temperature dilatometer setup, which is used to measure coefficient of thermal expansion. So this is TGA, DTA, which is used to measure weight loss and decomposition with respect to temperature.
facility in our department. So this is our computer lab. You can see the computers are arranged for the student. So this is our computer lab. Sir. Okay.
I'm Siddhant, working as a PhD scholar in this department, Metallurgy and Material Science department. So this is our lab, that is Corrosion and Surface Protection Lab. So we will have a look on the equipment over here in this lab. The first one is the SSRT, which is a slow strain rate machine, which is useful to calculate the slow strain rate of a particular specimen. Another machine is this wear testing machine calculates the wear rate of an particular specimen by using different kind of solutions. So thank you.
Polymer samples, which is used to calculate CTE. This is vacuum oven. This is a Rockwell surface hardness tester.
This is the entrance of metallography laboratory. This is the desk for to sit the student and do their work. Here it is chair of lab assistant, and these are the optical microscope. In order to process the sample, here are the polishing machines, two polishing machines, and etching reagent are placed. In this another lab, inverted optical microscope is placed, and this is the micro hardness tester.